How to stop premature ejaculation. That is what we are going to talk about today. How can you stop a premature ejaculation? You only need one thing. That one thing is very important. That one thing can cure diseases in your body. It can make you to live long. It can cure and stop premature ejaculation if you know how to use it. So in today's video, that is what I am going to teach you. So make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the end to get the best way to stop premature ejaculation. But before I proceed, my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos especially on men's secrets and natural way to keep them. So if you are looking for videos like this or other related videos, you are on the right channel. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel to be notified and to be a member of this channel anytime I upload a good content so that you will watch it. So let's proceed. How can you stop a premature ejaculation? How can you stop a premature ejaculation? It is very simple. Don't use some drugs because drugs has effects. Some drugs that you take will later have consequences in future. So it is better to adopt the natural and best way. Things that will not have side effects later. Things or something that will not cause you some depreciation or deterioration in future. But I will advise anything you are doing, go for the natural remedy. Don't let anyone to deceive you. It is better for you to use the natural remedy to cure any sicknesses. One thing with natural remedy is that they are giving you what you want and they will still give you what you don't expect. And what you don't expect are good things. Something like some fruits. A fruit can give you vitamin. A fruit can cure or treat some diseases in your body. Just one fruit can do all these things. So that is the best way to heal or cure any diseases. So in today's video, I am going to share with you one fruit that you need. It will help and it will stop a premature ejaculation. What is that fruit? All you need is bitter kola, the best to stop a premature ejaculation. Then how are you going to use this bitter kola? Very powerful and it is very simple. All you have to do is to take this bitter kola once every day, especially after your dinner. Take it after your dinner with 1 cup of water. Take it for good 5 days, and after taking it for good 5 days, watch and see what will happen in your life. Watch and see that premature ejaculation will just terminate. You will never experience a premature ejaculation. Just take this bitter kola for good 5 days. After your meal, take it with 1 cup of water. The next day, take it with 1 cup of water for good 5 days. You will come back here and give me testimony. So adopt this natural remedy to stop a premature ejaculation. Don't let anyone to deceive you to say, take this drug, take this drug. Drugs that you don't know how they prepare it or how it was prepared. But natural remedy is the best. It has no side effects. Rather, it gives you other benefits. So adopt natural remedy today for you to live long. So adopt and use bitter kola to do what I asked you to do. You will come back here and give me testimony. I hope you like this video and I hope you got value or you get value from this video. Please, if you do, make sure that you hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload a good content like this, and I will appreciate it if you can put a comment on this video, put it in the comment section. Tell me how you feel and what you learned from this video. Tell me what you think, and if you have any question, put it in the comment section. I will reply. Thank you for stopping by and thank you for watching my video. See you in my next video. I wish you the best.